Argentina has been taken aback after it was announced on Friday that polemic restrictions are going to be lifted by the government. The restrictions have been a long-term policy that turned into a political weakness. But it was a necessary measure, given the decreasing level of reserves that had lost more than $1 billion over the past month. The local currency plunged by 30% in a week, and the inflation soared by up to 30%.
We have decided to authorize natural persons to acquire US dollars. The amount will depend on the individual's tax return.
The situation in the country seems to be critical. The chaotic economic outlook has totally jeopardized President Kirchner's government, as the social unrest is rapidly spreading and growing by the hour.
The cost of living is very expensive. The income is too low, just at the survival level. When you apply large expansionary economic measures in a country, you end up having a run on the reserves of the central bank. The result is a forced currency devaluation and thus austerity that is really not desired by anyone.
Britain has been accused of being behind the crisis and of fueling the chaos through its local companies. For instance, the British oil company Shell unnecessarily tried to acquire $3.5 billion to accelerate the local currency devaluation and inflation rate, joined by the HSBC Bank. The move was immediately detected by tax and central bank officials who prevented Argentina from being deeply affected. Betiana González, Press TV, Buenos Aires.